Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Devdas Nikam. So today's date 7th February 2022. So I'm going to explain on today's topic array. So what is a array and why is in a Java programming language array? What are the types of array? And firstly I can explain the what is array. So array is available in a Java programming language. So firstly I can explain the data type. So data type there are two data types. First one is a primitive data type and another one is a non-primitive data type. First one is a primitive data type. I can explain the. There are primitive data type available in eight data type. Integer, int, char, float, double, long, short, and boolean is it's called as available in eight data type, and another one is a non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type is also array and string. It's called as a non-primitive data type. So I can explain the array. So array is used to the Java programming language, and array is a object contained to the similar types of elements stored in a data type. So it's called as a array. Array is also used to the similar type of element is stored in the array. So it's called as array. So it's array is like as a data structure to store the element. So it's called as a array. And array we can store the fixed set in element in Java programming language. Array is perform to the operation is a index based operation perform. So we can get the element to the easily find the index. Then we find the elements of array. It's called as a array. And suppose we index is a first element of store the index is a zero position, and second element is a also store the one position. Then we also another one is a second third element is also store the index two position. So it's also operation to the array to perform the one by one to the index base operation perform. And we can use the array in a Java programming language. So it's a randomly access of array element. So it's so called as a array. And array is also declare the use to the most of the Java programming language. And it's used to the we can get the easily find the index. And I can explain the syntax of array. So array is a array data type. And array data type is used to the syntax declare the array. And we can store the multiple elements in a array, but is a size array is also size the fixed element. But here so but we array is also fix the size. But we also a collection is a growth the size of a array list is improved. It's called as a array. And I can explain the one example of array declaration. Suppose we declare the one class array. And suppose array. Then we also int array is equal int array. Then is int array a is equal to then we array pass the store the element. So is 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. uh, so uh, then we loop for loop we also use. Then we add for loop is also used. Then we for loop is also used to the array of length is incremented. And it's sys out the array of I. So its element is also display the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is also element to the display. So it's called as a array. So thank you for watching video.